Hello everyone, my name is Kina. Today I will say my opinion for our team. I think chicken is a very great feeling for eating, and texture is crispy and sweet and spicy too. Now I will support my opinion. Please listen carefully. First, chicken have many energy sources. I think they have many protein and many meats too. Today we have zero spicy sauce chicken too. It was very healthy food. Korean food chef skills be a very cool and respect. Last, it made by meat, so it was good. And then pizza. Next, chicken is taste is spicy, crunchy, crumble like crispy. It means this food had many sauce and seasoning, so it will be made for kind of many people too. Also, it was great for eat rice and potato sticks. Last, chicken look very excellent and get exciting feeling. In conclusion, my opinion is chicken is great and then the pizza. Actually, I have trauma for pizza. What's your favorite food? I want to listen your favorite food. Thank you for listening my presentation.